what's the advantage of finding a good, reliable API manufacturer?
A good, reliable API manufacturer, finding early on, becomes a critical step, because as a good supply chain business would look for proper match from capacity, regulatory perspective, and one advantage of finding the right capacity is you minimize the number of batches or lots that would come in. Somebody with a distribution center in United States could bring a lot into United States to store, and you would minimize the number of releases coming out of that batches as a drug company is doing their own development program. So on multiple fronts, it would help as a long-term relationship and identifying partnership early on, the right partner.
And what would the implications be, say, for the amount of testing you may have to do as you move from, say, lab to pilot or through your scale-up process?
It would greatly help in terms of a lot being used for development leading into, or all development activities coming from a single lot would be desirable. It would minimize the testing, it would minimize the cost, it would minimize time of shipment, of looking for different lots coming in all the time. So a proper match could go a long way in knowing this early on. And at the end of the day, the industry is trying to minimize cost and minimize time for the launch. So these factors may sound at the stage of early development not so important, start becoming more important as your drug develops through your different phases of development.
Yeah, absolutely. Often small companies are just thinking, we got to get to clinic, we got to get to the next phase, but looking ahead is very important.
Indeed.